Come and change the oil on my 2016 Golf R. So I just want to run a few people through how to change the oil on their Mark 7 Golf. It's not too hard to do, and for the avid DIYer, you only need a few simple tools. Today I'm going to use Liqui Moly's 5W40 Molygen. Its green color is used for UV light, so you can check for any leaks in the future. And I'm also using a Hengst oil filter, one of the best filters in my opinion. ECS Tuning sells a lot of the tools that I'm using today, so I'm just using a simple ratchet, an oil filter tool, and the Schwarben Oil extractor, which you'll see in just a second. Firstly, I'm just loosening the oil filter housing to relieve some pressure and suck out some more oil from directly in the sump. And here's what everyone asks me about is the Schwarben fluid extractor. I simply put it through the dipstick hole, suck out the oil, and let it do its job. And a top tip, once this is full, I like to put the old oil back into the oil container that the new oil came in. This leaves for a nice, clean and easy to dispose system. Here I'm just sucking out the excess oil from the oil filter housing. We'll pop that one aside. And now time to change out the oil filter. A good quality oil filter will actually see lower oil temperatures and better fuel economy. And just look at that comparison. Don't forget to change the O-ring on your oil filter housing as well. I also like to clean out the sediment that's inside the oil filter housing. This just makes sure everything's clean and your engine runs healthy. Here I use the new oil just to lube the O-ring. Clean up any excess oil and pop in the new oil filter. Now what I love best about the Molygen oil is I don't have to put any other additives into the oil for extra protection. It's all already built in. Now quickly just to start the car, make sure the oil level is good, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if there's any other questions or other content that you want to see.